I was waiting, I was praying, holding on to what
Natuto akong magantay hanggang 38. Matanda man sa tingin ng mga tao, pero ang alam ko, Diyos ang may plano nito.
Patience was never my strength. Kapag may gusto ako o gustong mangyari, I want it right away. No delays, no waiting. So I prayed and asked God to teach me how to wait and trust His time. Tinugon naman ni Lord ang panalangin ko. Dumating ka sa buhay ko.
you're here. You are my answered prayer.
10 years ago, where our journey first started. I will never forget the day we started messaging, April 5, 2015. Yes, ikaw ang unang nag-chat after ng youth camp. May resibo ako. Ito po, joke lang.
My fight, you hold my hand and lift my eyes. You are my
Isang dekada ng pag-ibig, hindi perpekto pero totoo, hindi man laging naging tugma, pero palagi naman nating pinipili ang tama.
Loving you taught me that waiting is not a burden. It's a blessing. Kahit minsan hindi ko maintindihan.
Nasaksihan ko kung paano minahal ni Daddy si Mami, kung paano hindi niya iniwan sa kahit anong masayang okasyon, gayon din sa mababang sitwasyon. Pinapangako ko na ito ang aking magiging modelo, hindi man perpekto. Kasama ko naman ang Diyos sa pagdidisenyo.
this time. You are my answered prayer, more than I knew was even there. We worship now, we grow in grace. Two hearts that seek His holy face. I waited long, but now you're near. You are my
Hindi na ako malulungkot tuwing ihahatid kita sa Victory Liner kasi uuwi ka na. Kasi sa bawat uwi mo sa Zambales, kasama mo na ako. You are now my home. And because of that, I vow to love you through life's highs and lows, to be patient in your moments of silence, and to listen when it's your time to speak, to pray and serve God with you. I love you always.
hearts that seek His holy face. I waited long, but now you're near. You are my answer.
Mamahalin kita ngayon at kailanman. Mahal na mahal kita, Ann Palero, ayat ko.